Doing an oil change on a vehicle is a straightforward process you can do at home with a few basic tools. With a little knowledge, you can save yourself a lot of money. Hi there, I'm Mr. D, and here's my step-by-step guide for changing oil. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tools and supplies needed. New oil, check your owner's manual for the correct type and quantity. New oil filter, compatible with your vehicle. Oil filter wrench. Tool set. Oil drain pan. Funnel. Gloves and safety glasses. Rags or paper towels. Car jack and jack stands, or ramps, if needed. Step 1. Prepare your vehicle. 1. Park on a level surface. Ensure your vehicle is parked securely, and engage the parking brake. 2. Warm up the engine. Run the engine for 5–10 minutes to warm up the oil. Warm oil drains more easily. 3. Lift the car. If needed, use a jack and jack stands or ramps to raise the vehicle safely. Check owner's manual for proper lifting points. Step 2. Drain old oil. 1. Locate the oil drain plug. Check your owner's manual for its location. But it's usually on the bottom of the oil pan underneath the engine. 2. Position the oil drain pan. Place it under the drain plug. 3. Remove the drain plug. If possible, use a 6-point socket to carefully remove the plug. 4. Allow the oil to drain completely, about 5–10 minutes. 5. Replace the drain plug. Once drained, wipe the area clean and reinstall the drain plug. 6. Tighten it securely but not excessively. Step 3. Remove old oil filter. 1. Locate the filter. The oil filter is typically found near the oil pan. Check owner's manual if unsure. 2. Remove the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to unscrew it counterclockwise. Be cautious, there may be some remaining oil in the filter. Also make sure that the old seal comes off with the old filter and doesn't remain on the engine block. 3. Prepare the new filter. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the rubber gasket on the new filter to ensure a proper seal. Step 4. Install new oil filter. 1. Screw the new filter on by hand until it's snug. Then, give it an additional 3/4 turn. Never use a wrench. If you over-tighten, it will be hard to remove on the next oil change. Step 5. Add new oil. 1. Remove the oil cap. On top of the engine, find and remove the oil cap. 2. Use a funnel. Pour the recommended amount and viscosity of new oil into the engine. Check owner's manual. 3. Check the oil level. Use the dipstick to verify the oil level. It should be between the min and max marks. 4. Replace the oil cap. Tighten the cap securely. Step 6. Check for leaks. 1. Start the engine and let it run for a minute. Check underneath for any leaks. 2. Turn off the engine and wait a few minutes. Check the oil level again and add more if necessary. Step 7. Dispose of old oil properly. Take the old oil and filter to a recycling center or an auto parts store that accepts used oil. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Click on the links in the description to find the tools needed to complete the job. And again, thanks for stopping by.